jacks for one! Hey guys, and welcome back to my first video of 2021, and we're going to start it off with a little spring tuning. Not too much, quick video, but I figured it might be helpful for you guys. So I've had my Old Town Predator PDL for about 5 years now, which is crazy to me. So it's probably about time I take a look at one of the only things you can really do with the pedal drive, which is the shear pin. Shear pin is located in here, and we're just going to pop this prop off and see if it needs replacement. Rather not have that thing break on me while I'm on the water, and yeah, just avoid a whole lot of pain. So thanks for tuning in, and hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so we have taken the old one out right here, and we're going to replace that with a new one. And what I've done is I ran off to Home Depot, and I've got a 1 foot long, this is an 1/8 inch steel bar, and I'm just going to cut that into 1 inch sections to match our shear pin. So I would prefer to have had stainless steel, but they didn't have any in stainless steel, and I was hoping they would just have the size I need. But you know what, this works out, because now I'm gonna have 12 shear pins that I can use as replacements throughout the years. So you're just gonna need one of these. This is $1, by the way. Get a little hacksaw and a nice little file, so you can just cut and then shave down all the cut off end. All right, so let's do that. Nice new shear pin. I just gotta shave off that little piece there. We're good to go. So let's take our newly cut dowel, or shear pin, and see if it fits. Boom. Beautiful. Now we just gotta lube that up. I'm gonna put some anti-seize on it, and she'll be good to go. I'll put that on just snug. I don't want to have it super tight, but yeah, that's it. So we got our old pin that we've taken out, got the new one in there, nice and lubed up, so we're ready to take this bad boy out on the water again for year number 5. Goodness gracious, I can't believe it's been that long. One last thing I want to touch on before we take this out on the water is just a bit of a personal thing. The pedals, I would suggest putting WD-40 here, inside there, and then where it goes in there on both sides. Just because I've had this squeak of death and it's been driving me crazy. Okay, ladies and gents. Yeah, just some little things in life, you know? Hey, there it is. Yeah, so we just had to fiddle around with the wires. Actually, I have no idea if this battery is good or not, but the idea was we clean the pins, everything's good to go. So now we're gonna, I'm even using the PDL drive, sorry, middle of the river, but as you can see, clearly working fine. New shear pin, good to go. Fish finder works. Also, there's Chris, say hi. And that's it. So, might throw in some extra fishing footage for you guys, but if not, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like. You know, shoot me a comment. Tell me how stupid I am or whatever. I don't care. And if you want to see more of this nonsense, subscribe. Thanks, guys.